Bore da. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Dwi'n mynd i checo mae YouTube arno. Sa'n gallu weld, mae'r haul yn llygad fi. I can't see. The sun is in my eyes. A Facebook. Slowly. Yeah, hwnna'n fine. Gobeithio hwnna'n gweithio. Mae'n gweud live. Therefore, we'll go for it. Bore da. Gobeithio pawb yn iawn. Cyn ni'n dechrau, just rhag ofan, nath neb weld y tweet, just in case nobody saw the tweet or the Facebook message. Heddi, ni angen cans neu tins, 2 din, okay? Os mae neb o gwmpas, or you don't think you can get your hands on any tins or cans, mae'n iawn, we can use our trainers wedyn, that's absolutely fine, dim problem o gwbl, okay? So os mae amser da ni, dŵr, a 2 din, okay, just so chi'n gwybod, mae da fi polpa di pomodoro, it's kind of chopped tomatoes, and red kidney beans, okay, high in fibre, really dda, okay. Pan mae pawb, mynd i ôl dŵr nhw, plant week i fi, hwn, os ti'n gallu weld e, if you can see it, Sarracenia, it's the Latin term, okay? It's basically a vampire plant, okay? Mewn y twlle, mewn y trumpets ma, you can catch, well, I can't, it catches flies, so fi wedi cael o'r Vlad the vampire plant. Byth i weld cael unrhyw beth, but it's supposed to be good. A hefyd, you cannot give it normal water. Ti ddim yn gallu rhoi fel dŵr o tap. You've got to casglu out your vase, you have to get it from outside. Oh, nani, it is what it is. Heddi, corff uchaf, okay? We're going to do upper body, hence why we're going to use the cans. Ewn ni twymo lan, okay? Wedyn Ffit Yn 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, and we're going to be in upper body today, okay? Ewn ni twymo lan, a wedyn cool o lawr wedyn. We'll warm up, as always, and then we'll do a little cool down, okay? So gobeithio pawb wedi casglu popeth. Hopefully everybody's got something. Ewn ni dechrau gyda'r warm-up, okay? Just i dechrau, cerdded ar y smot, bit of a march, just pick the knees up, dipyn bach, pengliniau'n dod lan, okay? Neud siŵr mae'r brechiau'n symud, make sure the arms are working also. Opposites, i cadw balance, okay? A wedyn, we're going to slow it down, okay? Slow it lawr, a wedyn, dala fe, we're going to hold it. So, un yn dod lan, lawr. Llall yn dod lan, the other one goes up. Opposites. Okay? Bach o core stability. Twymo lan yr hips. Cadw yn syth. Keep your back nice and straight. Os ti'n wobblan, if you wobble, that's okay. Ma fe'n iawn. Okay, back to this march. Mewn eiliad, in a second, okay? We're going to bring it into a skip. Skip your smot in, okay? Skip on the spot. So we're just going to go a little bit quicker and have a bounce. Be careful. If I bounce too high, I'm going to break my house. Just bounce back. Skip your. Fel chi'n neud in the playground, os chi'n skip your round. Okay, that technique, but on the spot. Ni'n cael y calon I gweithio galed. We're getting the heart to work a little bit harder to warm us up. Blood's pumping around, oxygen and mynd round. Oxygen's getting around to the muscles. Mae'r muscles nawr yn gweud, hey, ni'n gweithio. Muscles is telling us we're working. A little bit quicker, a little bit higher. Da iawn. Cadw yn adlu, keep breathing. Trwy trwyn. Mas o'r ceg. Out of the mouth. A slow fe lawr. A ni'n mynd I stop o fyna. Okay, cilche. Ni'n neud upper body. We're going to make sure the upper body is nice and warm, okay? So, gyda sgwydde. Big circles. Bend at the elbow. Plug it at elbows. A ni'n mynd round. And all, back the other way. Everything's clicking with me. Okay. Wedyn, eto fel ni'n mynd i rhoi high 10 i rhywun. Imagine, a ni just mynd i slow mewn a mas. Back and forth. Popeth yn clico. Old age, boys bach. Cod liver oil. Da iawn. Good. Now ni'n mynd lan, okay? So imagine you're pushing something up. Just a couple of pushes lan. A wedyn, quick drink, and I'm in trwyddo be ni'n neud. Catch your breath. 3, 2, 1, a stop. Siglo fe mas, siglo coesau mas. Okay. Paw i all quick sip, a wedyn am ni esbonio be ni'n neud. If you have cans, os mae fe dins gyda chi, okay? First one, ni'n mynd i fel chest fly, okay? So dal ar tins, fel ti'n fel yfed pop neu beth. Pop's bad. Dal ar tins, a ni'n mynd i agor lan. Bydd ni'n neud hwnna am y munud. Gael y gorffwys yn y canol with a break in between. We can make it harder, we might get the legs moving also. Okay, hwnna flies. Curls, okay? Athyn ni'n neud hwn, cwbl wythnosau yn ôl fi'n credu. Cans ar ochr, okay? Facing forward. A wedyn, just think of the good angle so ti'n gallu gweld. Ni'n mynd i curl lan, we're going to curl them up. Okay, nice and slow. Gweithio'r biceps. Ni ddim moyn hwn. Okay, just moyn y bicep yn gweithio. A hwn yn fine. Plank walk. Ni wedi wneud loads of variations of planks dros yr wythnosau. Tro ma, feet are going to stay the same. High plank, okay? Gobeithio pawb yn gallu weld dwylo fi. Fel hyn. Okay, high plank. A wedyn, we're going to move to the side just using our arms. 1, 2, 3. Okay? A wedyn nôl. 1, 2, 3. Pan ni'n stopo ar ôl y 3, we'll have a little pause. A wedyn nôl eto. Okay? Garw strong. Have a little bend. Ni ddim moyn syth. Okay? Slight bend so ti'n gallu symud. Bydd hwnna'n galed. Okay? Gweithio'r core a breichiau. Triceps. Athyn ni'n neud y biceps. Triceps yw tu ôl y braich. Triceps are behind the arm. This one, I've got to watch out for the roof. Un can, un tin, neu un esgid. So if you don't have one, you can use a slipper, neu os ti dal yn ysgol, take off your shoe, and you can use it. Mae hwnna'n fine. Can. Fel y bicep, ni'n mynd i cael e. Hold it by your side. Lan i'r top. One arm only. Pluggy, bend at the elbow, a nôl lan. Ti'n siŵr o fod gallu teimlo yn gweithio, okay? Na mynd dod bach yn agosach a come to the floor, okay? Nice and straight, lan a lawr. Gyda hwn, don't go flicking, quick. Nice and slow, controlled, okay? A wedi benni gyda y sgwyddau ni, shoulders, gweithio bach o back a breichiau. This is an all-in-one. Slight bend, okay? Don't go straight. Bach o bend. We're going to go out, nôl, am 30 eiliad. This is hard. Cofia, if any of these are hard, don't have to use the cans or the shoes. Just do it with your arms. A wedyn, yr ail 30 eiliad, the second 30 seconds o flan. So fel na, you can see my knuckles. Ni'n mynd o flan. Hwnna'n gweithio'r cefn. Remember, don't go bending. Pop in the teeth. Lan fel na. Pawb yn hapus. You get bonus points for doing any noises fel weightlifters. Favourites are grunts. Neu, like a snake, mae rhaid yn neud. Up to you completely. Okay. 30 eiliad on, 30 eiliad Ar ôl ni'n cael gorffwys yn y canol, have a little break in between. I believe this is it. Dydd Iau. Fantastic. Bydd ffryd gyda chi fori. Pawb yn hapus? OK. Pawb barod? Quick sip. Job done. 3. Flies. Tins, neu heb tins, neu agor y lan. Nice and slow. Good. Agor y lan. Cofio have a little bend in the elbows, not straight, little bend, OK? Cadw'n adlu, agor y reit lan. Don't rush it, reit mas. Good. Da iawn. Tro nesa lan I chi, you have an option. We can either do it walking, neu we can do 15 seconds each. Ar balance, codi un coes lan, OK? I'm giving you creative license. Be chi moyn wneud? Fi'n mynd I mynd am y balance. Coes chwith. Oh my. Cadw'n adlu. So, loads of core, gweithio bach ar coes, ond dal, meddwl, newid droso. Change over, well done. Right out. Don't just stop. Keep pushing it out. Good. Oh, cadw balance. Good. Da iawn. Bach o dŵr. A wedyn curls. Cofia, you don't have to use a can. You don't have to use a shoe. Okay? You can just do it just using your arms. Curls. Cofia, bend in the elbow. Nice and straight. My back isn't pulling up. Okay, on me. Okay, curls. Nice and slow. Arafi ar y ffordd lawr. Make it slow on the way down. Back up to the top. Nice and slow. Os ni moyn bod bach yn gryfach, if we want to be a bit stronger, we either have to do more reps, neu it's got to be heavier, okay? We've got to push the body. Os mae rhywbeth yn really house, doesn't really do anything. Something's really easy, doesn't do anything. Good. Tro nesaf, ni'n mynd I cerdded ar smotyn. Cofia nawr, falle bydd y cans bach yn rhy house. Paid pigo lan weights mam a dad neu brawd neu chwar. Don't just go picking up heavy weights. Check on nhw gynta. Fi'n mynd I cerdded ar spot. Curls. Good. Hefyd, mae lot o rhain, mae mangi yn dy ci gallu wneud. Okay? Os ti'n cael Zoom chat, you can tell granddad and grandma they can do these as well. Flies, easy peasy with a tin of beans, tin of custard siwr fod, gyda mangi yn dy ci. Cael y fynd. Bicep curls. Neud y sŵn, bonus points. Good. Plank walk nesa. Ni'n mynd ar y llawr, a ni'n just symud brech ni. The feet aren't moving, they're just going to curl with the body. Does that make sense? Gobeithio ma fe. 14. Bach o strength i'w ceddi, okay? 5, 4. Pawb lawr, everyone down. Assume the plank position. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Good. 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3. Da iawn pawb. Hold yn tough. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold, hold, hold. Da iawn. Pob tro fi'n neud y plank, I realise I need to do my carpet. Okay, good. Mae'n aros lawr fan hyn. Engage the core, wobblan. Os mae hwnna'n rhy galed, if that's too hard, just hold the plank. Okay? I'm sure that's what pirates used to say. Just hold the plank. 3, 1, 2, 3. Nôl. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold. A to. 1, 2, 3. Un arall. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Good. Da iawn. Triceps. Whew. Biceps because there are 2 heads of the muscle. Triceps because there are 3. Gwyddoniaeth. Gwyddoniaeth, Ellie. Plant. You're learning about the body. Oh. Okay, so take 1 shoe or 1 can. I'm going to show you on the floor. Okay, so land nice and straight, bend to the top. Okay. 2, da iawn. Nice and slow. 3 to the top. This is working. I can feel it. 4, da iawn. 1 arm only, and we'll swap over wedyn. We'll swap over in a minute. Da iawn, couple more. Good. And swap o draw. Barod i'r penwythnos. 10 seconds to go. And wedyn, the last one is a bit of a burner, okay? Just so we can gwybod ma fe'n eitha galed. Okay, tricep, chwyth i fi. Nôl lawr. Oh, dodgy shoulder i fi. Nice and slow. Good. Pan ti weld. Os ti moyn dal ar braich. Mae'n fine. Ni's lan a lawr. Ooh. If it's too hard, drop the can gently. This is the way. I got my kidney beans. The magical fruit. The more you eat, keep going. Da iawn. Good. Okay, shoulders nesa. This is the one where you can make noise, okay? Bach o sŵn, os neb yn gysgu yn y tŷ, sy'n babis o gwmpas. Ti'n mynd lan, ha! Quiet. Ha! Okay, it's good just to get it out. Get it out. Okay, ambell waith i'n stuck mewn, ti fewn. Bach o marfer corff makes me feel a lot better. Okay, pa'n barod. Plygu. Bend the elbows. Ha! A lawr. Ha! Neu fel neidr, like a snake. Can we go quicker? Okay, if you're happy, you can go a little bit faster. Controlled. If it's too heavy, drop the cans nicely on the floor. Good. Shoulders are working hard. Breaker, gweithio galed. Oh, okay. Tro nesa, we're going to go in front. Woo. We've got to do some stretches or all on, okay? Da iawn. Key ingredients for a chili con carne evening. Just so chi'n gwybod. Okay, knuckles mas. A lan. Just up to your head. Oh, gwaith yn e-bosto. Good, nice and slow ar y ffordd lawr. Back nice and straight. Cefn syth. Keep breathing. 10 eiliad, da iawn. A tough one if you mix it up. 1, 2, go on then. 3, 4, 5. Good. Oh, good. Hands loud. Shake lon mas. Bach o dŵr. Get a bit of water in. Cerdded round. Just nice and slow. After we made the session that, we did that session just to show you, some people think you need to have weights all the time. Ti ddim angen. Os ti moyn neud stwff na gyda cans, mae hwnna'n really da. Get you the feeling of a weight a little bit more. Okay, keep walking. Fel ti'n gwybod, we're not as working as hard fel sweating, but i dal gweithio'r corff, okay? There's different ways of training. Okay, so gyda hwn, ni angen stretcher, okay? So, un braich dros y corff, across your body. And we'll hold it for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shiggle. Other arm, dod droso. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, ni'n mynd I wneud y shoulder rolls eto. 8 backwards, 8 forwards. So nôl, 1. Dach chi weld? 2, 3, nice and big. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, go forwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Joio. Okay. Just mynd I wneud bach o stretch. Okay. Dwylo dod lawr at y pengliniau. We're going to pick them up through. And we're going to reach up to the top. And adly breathe. And all lawr. Okay. Hands by your knees. Up. Stretch it out to the top. Lawr. 2 more. Hands by the knees. And adly down. Stretch your mass. Lawr. Last one. Stretch your arm. Dyna ni. Diolch pawb am joino mewn ymuno dy fi heddi. Gobeithio chi'n enjoyo. Make sure the cans go back into the kitchen, neu mae'r sgidiau mynd nôl. Bydd rhydiau nôl gyda chi fori, hanner awr I nawr. Facebook, YouTube, Microsoft Teams. Okay? Diolch pawb. Enjoy the